Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Oracle Date Datatype, a comprehensive tutorial. The date datatype in Oracle is a fundamental and widely used data type for storing date and time information. It's not just a date, it stores the year, month, day, hour, minute, and second. This comprehensive tutorial will cover everything you need to know about working with date values in Oracle, including 1. Understanding the date datatype *, what it stores and how it's represented internally. 2. Storing date values *, how to insert dates into tables. 3. Retrieving date values *, how to select dates from tables. 4. The SYSDATE function * getting the current date and time. 5. Date formatting and display * using *_char and *_date functions. 6. Date arithmetic * adding and subtracting dates and intervals. 7. Date functions * essential functions for manipulating dates, example TRUNC, add _months, last _day. 8. Working with time zones * a brief introduction to dealing with time zones, more complex and often best handled with timestamp with time zone. 9. Handling null date values * considerations and best practices. 10. Best practices * tips for efficient and reliable date handling.